Today I'm going to show you how to enter a purchase order in QuickBooks Online. A purchase order is used when you want to request products or services from a vendor before the bill is created. First, sign in to QuickBooks Online and open the correct company file. Click New or Create. Under the Vendor section, select Purchase Order. This opens the purchase order form. Start by choosing the vendor. This is the company or person you're ordering from. Next, review the vendor details, purchase order date, and mailing address. Update anything that needs to be corrected. Now check the shipping address. Make sure this is the correct location where the vendor should send the products or materials. Next, go to the Item Details section. Add the products or services you're ordering. For each line, enter the item, quantity, rate, and amount. QuickBooks may calculate the total automatically, but still review the numbers to make sure they match what you agreed with the vendor. If the purchase order is connected to a customer or project, select the correct customer or project in the Customer/Project field. This helps you track the cost later. If you need to add instructions for the vendor, use the Memo or Message field. You can include notes about delivery, item details, part numbers, or anything the vendor needs to know. Before saving, review the vendor, date, addresses, items, quantities, rates, total amount, and notes. Once everything looks correct, click Save and Close if you just want to save it. Or click Save and Send if you want to email the purchase order to the vendor. And that's how to enter a purchase order in QuickBooks Online in 2026.